Welcome back to the Forestry Power. Today, we're diving into the world of firewood processing like never before. Imagine transforming backbreaking labor into a smooth, efficient system that cuts your workload in half. If you've ever struggled with manual splitting or wished for a more effective way to prepare your firewood, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we reveal the fastest automatic firewood processing machines, and trust me, you won't want to miss what we have in store. Let's face it, splitting firewood the old-fashioned way can feel like a workout from hell. You swing an axe, you miss, you swing again, and before you know it, you're exhausted. Fear not, because we're here to show you that there's a smarter way. Traditional methods can be time-consuming and physically demanding, but what if you could turn that labor into a breeze? That's exactly what these modern machines offer. Enter the vertical log splitter. With its ability to process an astonishing 12 cubic meters of wood in just 9 hours. This powerhouse will change your life. Picture a log truck delivering 16 cubic meters of wood, and within days, it's transformed into neatly stacked firewood. The efficiency is mind-blowing. This machine is perfect for both big jobs and smaller tasks, allowing you to achieve precision without breaking a sweat. Now, let's talk about the magic behind these machines. Hydraulic power. Hydraulic log splitters are designed to handle multiple large logs simultaneously, splitting them into uniform pieces with incredible ease. The force delivered by the hydraulic system maximizes efficiency, making it a game changer for anyone serious about firewood processing. Have you ever wished for a superhuman strength? Well, this is as close as it gets.
Pedal here and spins the rings up onto the table.
Introducing the Mayho Slicer Dicer. This machine is a marvel of modern engineering.
Here, when you make knife.
Equipped with an 800 millimeters wide blade that slices through logs with surgical precision. Plus, it features smaller dicing blades that chop the wood into perfect, uniform pieces. Whether you're preparing for a cozy fire or stocking up for winter, this machine delivers speed and versatility like no other. It's like having your own personal woodcutting assistant. If wood splitting were a sport, this homemade machine would definitely take the MVP award. Watching it tackle tough knots is oddly satisfying, like watching a seasoned wrestler dominate their opponent. This machine proves that creativity and muscle can go hand in hand. Have you ever built something from scratch that exceeded your expectations? That's the joy of DIY. Now, let's talk horsepower. The PME splitter boasts a robust 16 horsepower engine and a two-stage pump that can handle demanding tasks with ease. But it doesn't stop there. It also includes an elevator, disc cleaner, and powered in-feed ring lifter, making your firewood processing as seamless as possible. Imagine being able to focus on the fun part, stacking the firewood, while the machine does the heavy lifting. Here's a nostalgic gem, a 1983 firewood processor. This classic combines old-school durability with modern efficiency. It's a perfect balance, proving that sometimes the best solutions come from the past. It's like digging into your grandfather's toolbox and finding the perfect tool, classic yet reliable. The hydraulic splitter is where muscle meets machinery. This innovative design combines the power of hydraulics with the ingenuity of DIY projects. There's an undeniable thrill in watching your homemade processor in action. It's not just a tool, it's a testament to your skills and creativity. Have you ever built something that you were incredibly proud of? This is that moment. Meet the multitasking marvel, a log splitter and shear combined. This innovative setup is perfect for tackling both timber and stubborn logs. Watching the synergy between the tractor and the attachment is like witnessing a well-rehearsed duet. Who knew wood processing could be this harmonious? This firewood cutting and splitting machine redefines efficiency. It takes the back-breaking labor out of the equation, converting hefty logs into neat, stackable firewood in record time. Imagine completing what used to take days in just a few hours. Isn't that the dream? Sometimes, simplicity is the greatest genius. No motors, no gasoline, just pure muscle power and clever engineering. Manual log splitters remind us that sometimes the basics are all you need to get the job done. It's like going back to basics and realizing how effective old-school methods can be. Introducing the drilling log splitter for tractors. This tool takes power and precision to a whole new level. With a rotating drill mechanism, it effortlessly carves through thick logs. If you're serious about firewood production, this is the tool for you. Can you feel the excitement of tackling those hefty logs with ease? Watch the Super 50 tractor tackle beechwood like a pro. This machine showcases the power of modern firewood splitters. The strength of the tractor combined with the splitter makes even the toughest wood look effortless. Who wouldn't want to watch that in action? While efficiency is key, there's always a trade-off between speed and power. Sometimes, even the best machines can be challenged by quantity. But don't worry, we'll explore solutions that ensure you can meet any demand, no matter how big. Are you feeling the urgency as the winter season approaches? The sound of a saw cutting through wood is almost rhythmic, a powerful reminder of the strength required for this task. With the Husqvarna 365, you have more than just a tool. You gain a powerful ally in the world of logging. It's a partnership that transforms hard work into a dance of efficiency. With 24-way splitting capabilities, this splitter is designed for high-volume operations. It cuts single logs into smaller pieces in one go, significantly boosting productivity. Imagine how much time you could save with this setup. It's like having a personal assistant dedicated to your firewood needs. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of firewood processing, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. We have so much more exciting content coming your way. And if you want to learn more about the essential tools for forestry, check out our video, The Forestry Power, linked right here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on The Forestry Power.